Am I wasting all my time chasing innocence to find a time in my life when I should have known better? Am I wasting all these years all about the tears behind a smiling face? 'Cause I wanna do what's right, but I need to understand. Do I burn a bridge and call it life I say? I see stars come flooding in, will the memories raise too high and price to pay? Gonna take a trip down memory lane for the millionth time today. I'm still waiting. Gonna take a trip down memory lane, and I don't have much to say. As I fumble through my lines, tripping wires in my mind. There's a script to fail, the reason I'm running from another place in time where the memories raise too high and price to pay. Gonna take a trip down memory lane for the millionth time today. I'm still waiting. Gonna take a trip down memory lane, and I don't have much to say. Looking forward for tomorrow, still relying on yesterday. Can't you see I'm driving blindly? Can't you see that Can't you see I'm driving blindly? Am I wasting all my time chasing innocence to find a time in my life when I should have known better? Am I wasting all these years all the packages behind a smiling face? Gonna take a trip down memory lane for the millionth time today. I'm still waiting. Gonna take a trip down memory lane, and I don't have much to say. I'm still waiting. Gonna take a trip down memory lane, looking for another place.
count the times that I looked up to the sky and asked someone to save me, to save me. Now I gotta know. Now she's a hit or miss. We're all the time just a hit or miss. But sometimes we take a swing and miss. We take a swing and miss. Well, sometimes when I can swing and
I met a Sunday that was yesterday, the girl I knew from 1990. Your eyes are hazel, her name is Mabel. I kissed her once and now I'm able to walk the mile, crack a smile. She makes me wanna kiss all the babies of the puppy dogs. She makes me feel like my mama, smell the flowers and plant a tree. I gotta say that Mabel, she's the bomb. Now it's Monday, better than Sunday. Mabel told me that she would stay. Her curly hair shines in her eyes. Boy, that Mabel sure is fly. I'm with her now until I die. She makes me wanna kiss all the babies of the puppy dogs. She makes me feel like my mom, smell the flowers and plant a tree. I gotta say that Mabel, she's the bomb. Then on Tuesday, Mabel left me. I heard she's going out with Charlie. She saw his package, from what I know. She said, "That looks like a two-bone cookie dough." Mine, she said, "That looks like a small pencil with broken lead. Baby's got the puppy dogs, so now I really need my mom." I bought her flowers, so woe is me. It sucks, I still think Mabel, she's the bomb. Baby's got the puppy dogs, so now I really need my mom. I bought her flowers, so woe is me. It sucks, I still think Mabel, she's the bomb.
Something, all the holes are burning. Still I hold my throat, and I'm watching all the laughing pass me by. If I could just turn the clock back
just another Saturday. Just another Saturday.